I'm the villain in this picture. While the mother's away, the weasel will play. That's a good one. Now, you folks pardon me just a minute, and I'll make a quick change. Not a bad disguise, huh? Now for a meal. It's Dr. Quack.
Hi!
Say, ah. Now I got you behind the 8 balls. That's a good one.